Python Dictionary Magic, Reversing Keys and Values. Hey there, fellow Python enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Python tutorials. Today, we're diving into the world of dictionaries and learning a cool trick, how to reverse a dictionary. So, what's a dictionary? In Python, a dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs. But sometimes, we might need to reverse this dictionary, swap the keys and values. Let's see how to do that. Alright folks, let's start coding. Here's a simple dictionary. Now, to reverse this dictionary, we can use a neat little Pythonic trick. Check this out. What's happening here? We're using a dictionary comprehension to create a new dictionary called reversed_dict. We're iterating over each key-value pair in the original _dict, and for each pair, we're swapping the key and value positions. Simple, right? And just like that, we've reversed our dictionary. Let's print it out to see the magic. And when we run this code, we get our reverse dictionary. Woohoo! Mission accomplished. We've successfully reversed our dictionary. Pretty cool, huh? That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips and tricks. Until next time, happy coding!